Yo, yo, okay. Trying to see the name on it. Ryobi. Trying to see. Must have a lock on. Okay. My nephew brought me this. I don't know anything about it. I'm hoping that it works. 12-inch blade. Yep. Like a pretty good at 12-inch too. They got all the teeth. They got all the teeth on it. So this is a compound miter saw. I don't plan on going back in the house remodeling, but every now and then I have a little project with wood, which this would be good because up here I have a Craftsman, and my Craftsman, yeah, it pretty much gave up the ghost. I don't want to have to buy the motor part to repair it, so I'm probably gonna scrap it. But he brought me this, and I just want to kind of figure, what the hey, turn the video on. That's one way you can tell I ain't touched it. Still got cobwebs on the plug. Let's plug it up. Okay. Well, I'll have to do something to it. Not getting anything. I'm gonna have to check. They might have a safety on these, like a safety of fuse. If just a blown fuse, that'll be perfect. That's gonna require me getting in that motor though. Yeah, cause they go to switch here, and I'd click the switch. Yep. Also going to check the wall plug. Well. Let's just say this is going to be first part. We'll go to part 2 when we get to working on it. Hey, y'all. I'm adding this on to the end of the video. Man, I forgot to give y'all the update of the Ryobi crosscut saw. Man, I've been on a win streak lately, dudes. Okay, once this dried completely out, because I got it free, it got soaking wet. Man, it started working. Everything works on it, and it works well. Huh. Can't beat that, dude. So, I got me a nice crosscut saw. Also, I don't know if it's the video going up before or after this one, but I also got a nice little project bike that I'm gonna be bringing to y'all. So hopefully y'all like that. It's a Suzuki SV650. Yeah, so I was out here, trying to see what parts I have for it, so that I can get started on that. But yeah, I want to just bring y'all updates so I can finish this one out. Alright, thank y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe.